Okay, we're just going to do Three Little Birds. It's a level 2 song. It's got a few tricky chord changes in the middle. We're going to do it really, really slowly. It's all about just getting the chord changes and getting them on time for us at the moment. A strum, just down, 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 down. Okay? All right. Okay. Please, please look at the level 2 chord changes video first, and then come and do this one after that, because in that video I show you how to change between the chords, so it's sort of important you've seen that first. Alright, let's go. Real slow, alright, because we want those chord changes. Don't worry about a thing. Now we're going to go to a D, cause every little thing's gonna be all back to the A. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Big long gaps, isn't there, when you do it slow. D, cause every little thing's gonna be all A, right? Okay, here comes the middle bit. Rise up this morning. We're going to go to an E7 in a moment. Now, look at the rising sun. That's your E7. A. Three little A birds. Then to a D. Perched on my now go doorstep. A. Singing A. Sweet songs. Going to an E7. So pure and true. To a D. This is my message to A. You. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. D, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. A, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. Cool. Well, I hope you're able to keep up with me there. That middle bit is a bit tricky, but keep practicing those chord changes, and once you get used to them, you sort of know they're coming, so it's a little bit easier to change it then. You're doing great. You're doing real good. Okay, so keep working on this, and we'll see you in the next video. Have fun.